Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today it's Saturday as always. Do you know that? Well, you know that I usually record the Friday's video on Saturday, as on Friday I get out of work and I just have a little bit of chill, and sometimes I work more. But well, okay. So yesterday we had a Paris DXY. So I was looking for sell as for buys on the USD, on the Euro USD and GU, and sells on the USD pairs. So well, that's why I did this. So we had a break obstructor to the upside here, leaving relevant liquidity in H1, which created a reaction. Then we left the previous day below. Nothing here relevant, and well, we could have looked for buys, but I think it gave them out of timing, so yeah, nothing to say about that. So EU, let me eliminate all this shit. So yeah, okay, so it's cleaner. So yesterday we had NFP, but the government is closed, so there aren't a lot of data, I think. Yeah, we had no data. So in the end, it was just price action. We took the previous weekly low here, so this was relevant liquidity in H1, and this was the previous daily high. We had relevant liquidity in H1 left here, and of course left here that I didn't mark up, and multiple relevant liquidities and 5 down there. So I was looking for sells. First we had this break obstructor to the downside. I didn't trade this as I wasn't at home, but I'm starting to realize that when the break is before New York, usually it's a trap. Okay, so I didn't trade this as I was having lunch, and it would have been an stop loss, obviously. Well, no, I didn't trade this because we had a week. Yeah, I remember this. I wasn't at home, but I said that this had a week and I didn't wanted to trade it. And then we went up, breaking structure here, leaving this candle here, which it had a little bit of a week, but it was a strong candle, so I like it. And I was waiting for the mitigation to enter. We never had the mitigation, so in the end we had no fucking trade. Okay. Yeah. GU, more or less the same. What the fucking lines. So we took this round within each one. It moved down to, well, it moved down. Then we had the news, but no impact on the price. It moved up, taking the previous daily high. I want to look for sells, but we had this movement. No breaks of structure. Clear target here, but no trade for me. Okay. USD JPY. In this case, I didn't take a trade, but I was testing something. Just test. So we had this break here, leaving this round liquidity in H1 here, this previous daily low here, and leaving, well, round liquidity on H1 here. Okay, so we had a lot of liquidity down there and liquidity to the upside. I don't know where the fuck I have an alarm there. So I was waiting. I was waiting for this to be broken as it left with a wick. And I'm starting to looking for trades against wicks and looking for breaks on a structure on M1. For example, in this case, it broke the Asia high, which it's not really relevant. And after this break, we had this engulfing candle, or this one, here, but with the spread and everything, and it would have been this trade. But it's something that I'm testing, trying, looking about, but to look for continuations because I only look for reversals, and well, I have to backtest it. Okay. And then it moved down, not breaking this high, giving the movement that I was looking for, not taking the run within 5, and then it came back out of timing taking this high here with the random liquidity on M5. Okay, use the CHF. Let me eliminate the alarms. Okay, so we took this random liquidity in H1 from this break obstructor here, and previous daily low. We had nothing to the left really here, and I was looking for buys. So I expected this to be broken, but in the end it wasn't broken. It was broken well, afterwards, and it left these wicks here, so no trade for me really. And then it moved up. Okay, here we had the clear target. It's not giving like the proper confirmations lately, maybe because of the government shutdown or whatever, but yeah, it is what it is, and nothing else. Okay, and finally USD CAD. Okay, well, it's reacting to the Asia high. Asia high, no, previous weekly high, sorry. And well, we had this break here, leaving a lot of liquidity to the upside, previously low. No liquidity here to the left, apart from maybe here. This break, and this is round liquidity on each one. And well, as you can see, reacting here with wicks. That's something that I could look for continuations, but not sure yet. And then we had the movement, well, down here. Okay, so yeah, no trades for me. I really like the price action from yesterday. I was expecting a better opportunities, but we had no opportunities at the end. In the end, and well, I hope you like this video, and of course, see you on Monday. Bye bye.